Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove favorite hero in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To remove or change your favorite hero in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, first of all, launch the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your mobile device and wait for the game to fully load. Once you're in this home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After you open up your profile section, click on Battlefield drop-down on the left-hand side. Now from the expanded menu, click on Favorite. After you get to this Favorite tab, go ahead and select a different hero to replace your favorite hero. After choosing a different hero, you will be able to change your favorite hero. Unfortunately, Mobile Legends Bang Bang does not have a direct remove option, so you must replace a hero with another. Now you've selected a new hero, the system will automatically update your hero to your favorite hero list. You can now exit to the menu to save the changes. And that's how you easily change your favorite hero in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tutorials. Enjoy your game. I'll see you in the next one.